it was not of the magnitude that I felt now. My hands are still tingling from the effect of this meditation.
So how was that for you? What you experienced?
This was a great experience. I felt like I was able to connect into the Akasha and connect with my mother, who's in Texas right now, called Texas, on the other side of the planet, and send her, I work with healing and distance healing, so to be able to send her healing energy. And I sent my sister healing energy and my wife healing energy. And anytime that I've done distant healing exercises or sessions with my family or my wife, it was not of the magnitude that I felt now. My hands are still tingling from the effect of this meditation.
Awesome.
I felt like I was connected with a universal web throughout time and space, and being able to connect and feel my mother. And I'm quite sure she's in her bed, and I could feel her presence there. And she's been worried about me, so I put a release that worry off of her. So thank you again.
Beautiful, beautiful. Thanks for sharing that. That's beautiful.